Hey, hi there. How are you doing today? This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Today I'm at work, obviously. So I'm going to show you what's in my bag. So this is my HERMES tote. This is second-hand that I bought at J-Ports. And in this video, we're going to check out what's in my work bag. So, the thing that I really like about this bag is that it does have a lot of compartments. It's really a low-key Hermes. That it does have 1, 2, 3 pockets outside, and then on the other side it has another 3 on this side, and then it does have a snap closure on the side, on each side, and a snap closure on the in the middle of this. It does have a drop, which is you can carry it as a hand carry, or you cannot put this one on your shoulder, but on the crook of your arms you can, like this, but it's quite heavy, so that's the only thing with that. But the good thing about this one, it fits a lot, and the good thing about it, heavy on the bottom. So yeah, it's kind of like sturdy on the bottom, so it holds a lot. Today, like I told you, what we're going to do is we're going to check out what's in my bag, and as you can see, there you go. It says there that this one is Hermes Paris. So it's gray. So this is what's in my bag. So we'll check it out. So, of course, I do have my snacks. I got this one from 99-cent store. This is the rice crackers. So this is really yummy. And then I have my salad from Costco. So yeah. And then I have my rice pudding from 99 cents. I love this one. This is really good. So that's my breakfast for today. I do have my, of course, I have my mask. This one is the N95 mask. I have my goggles. So yeah. I do have my wallet. This is from Louis Vuitton. So this one is my wallet, my big wallet. And then I do have my toiletry pouch 26, and of course it's kind of like bag in a bag, in a bag. So in here I do have my coin pouch, my Coach. This one, I like this one because I put everything in it. So yeah, the perfume, the pain medication and stuff, whatever. So it's in here. I have my lotion. So this one is the one that I use. It's pure. I think I got this one from Venetian. I don't know. And then I have my other wallet. This is the big wallet, and this is the small wallet. Wallet over wallet over wallet. And then I have my Tiffany pen, which is, ta-da, it's really nice and sparkly, from Tiffany. So that's one, this one. And then of course I have my cloth mask. What else do we have in here? So that's what's inside this. And then I have my Etude Voyage GM. This is my laptop bag, which is, of course, it's in case my laptop, my paperworks, and my notebook. So that's that. So this one fits a lot. And then of course I do have my work laptop. This is really my internship laptop that they lent me, borrow it. And then my snacks, my marmalade, so from Costco. And then an attachment for the mask. So you put this one on the back, and then you attach the hook on here for the mask, and then it will help so that it's not going to be on your ears. And then yeah, so inside it's a really big hole, but what I really like, and then a trash, and then but I really like about it, it does have a one zipper pull on here, which is, you can see, I store my the wires for my laptop, and then my charger, and then also a bunch of my N95, because I have to, my storage bank, my battery bank I should say, and then mask and mask and mask, a lot of mask, and then of course some gloves in here. So that's what's in my bag. This one, I really love this one. This is a not a replacement of the work bag of Louis Vuitton Reporter GM I have. I was using this because if you remember that the GM one is sent it to repair at the Louis Vuitton, but I got it already, so I'm going to use it as soon as possible. But this one is a really good one too. I love this because it's a really good bag that you can stuff a lot, so as you can see. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope that you be safe, wear a mask all the time. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. We will see you again in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy. Bye. It's shout out time from the last video. Thank you, Massimo Piano Trio. She said, let's eat Kamayan style. Ha ha ha. Seb was so cute. I know, he's so adorable. And then Rain Tabios, love it. Ha ha ha. You guys are funny. And last but not the least, Holo Holo Adventure said, the art of eating with our hands, great job. I think every Filipino has learned this art when they were a kid. Good job. Thank you very much. And thank you very much for everything, for all the support. We will see you again in the next video.